So this workflow is going to allow you to tag your customers as male or female using ChatGPT. So this can help you to identify buying patterns, market to them differently, things like that. So we're just triggering on customer created, and then the prompt that we're using is right here. Probably don't need the last name, but I put it in, and who knows? Maybe the last name somehow factors in. And then we're saying respond with just, you want to let GPT know, just give me these specific responses. Otherwise, it might give you a whole sentence back, and you don't want all that. So here's where we're sending that prompt in to GPT using that model, latest and greatest GPT-4 model that we have access to. And then this filter is just saying, hey, if the response back is either male or female, go ahead and proceed. And then that's where we add that tag in there. And here is a little test run. So my name, actually, fun fact, can be male or female. Recently found out about this cool football coach named Kalen DeBoer. Shout out to him. So that's going to do an uncertain on my name, and it's not going to tag it. But let's try out old Bill here, and that should tag him as male. And there we go. And then you can click on this little link here. That'll drop you right into the Shopify backend. We have those in different places within Mesa. And you can see you got that tag right there. So that's how it works. As usual, you can find this on the automation demo section of the blog. And you can go ahead and download that workflow. Let us know if you need any help setting it up.